There are a million videos that teach you how to use AI. Almost none show you how to get a human being to actually pay you for it. That is the whole game. And most people never crack it. In the next few minutes, you will. Here is how to land your first paying client in 7 days. No audience, no following, no tech degree. Let's go. Because this is what it really buys you.
Hey, I'm Aaron. Welcome to Clear Way Through. This is the place where I show you how you can actually make money using AI. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now let's get into it.
Quick weight off your shoulders first. It is not about the AI. The part you are scared of, that is the easy part. You do not need to be a genius whispering to a chatbot at 2 a.m. The AI does the hard work in 4 minutes. The real skill is sales. Finding someone who needs the thing and getting a yes. And that is learnable in a week. So, if you have been hiding behind, I am not technical enough, that excuse just expired. 4 minutes of work and the hard part is done. Day 1, pick one service for one type of business. Fight the urge to offer everything to everyone, because when you sell to everyone, you sound like nobody. Picture 2 business cards. One says, AI services. The other says, I make a month of social posts for gyms in under an hour. Which one makes a gym owner stop scrolling? The specific one. Every time. A spotlight lights up a stage. A floodlight just blinds the whole room and impresses no one. So pick a lane. One service, one niche. That is your spotlight. Day 2, build one sample. Just one. Pick a real local business and make the thing for them for free before they ask. Everybody else says, I could maybe do a thing for you sometime. You say, I already did it. Here it is. One sounds like a salesman. The other sounds like a gift. Be the gift. Picture the auto shop owner at 9 at night, greased to his elbows, a kid to pick up. He does not lack the brains. He lacks the time. You are selling him his evening back. A whole week of posts ready before they even ask. Day 3, build your list. Least glamorous day. Most important, do not skip it. Open Google Maps. Type your niche and your city. Gyms near me. Dentists in Austin. Watch the pins light up like a slot machine that pays out in customers. Write down 50, not 5,000. You will panic. Not 5. You will quit by Tuesday. 50 real businesses. Think of them as fishing spots. You only need a couple to bite to change your whole month. 50 real businesses, all within a few miles of you. Day 4, reach out, and here is where most people blow it. They lead with a pitch. Do not slide into a stranger's inbox with 3 paragraphs about your innovative AI solutions. Their thumb is already on delete. Lead with the gift. Hey, I made a week of posts for your gym as a free sample. No strings. Want me to send them over? Free and useful is the easiest yes on earth. Send 20 today. 20, not 2. It is a numbers game, and the numbers reward whoever is brave enough to hit send. 20 a day, brave enough to hit send. Day 5, follow up. Say it with me. Follow up. This is where the money hides, and almost nobody looks. They send one message, hear crickets, and quit. The first message is just you knocking. The door opens on the second or third knock. A simple, just floating this back up, wakes up half the people who scrolled past you. They did not reject you. They were busy. And that difference is your paycheck. Knock twice, and the door starts to open. Day 6, someone likes the sample. Turn that warm glow into a paying client with one clean sentence. Glad you love it. I can do this every week for you. Flat monthly rate. I handle everything. You just hit approve. Notice, you did not say it is powered by AI. Nobody buys a drill because they love drills. They buy it for the hole in the wall. So sell the result. And keep it monthly. One gym at $200 a month beats 5 frantic one-off gigs. Monthly money is the difference between a hustle and a heartbeat. One honest conversation, one yes, one paying client. Day 7, close it and spin the wheel again. Show the sample one more time. Say the price like it is the most normal thing in the world. Price your first one low enough that yes is almost a reflex. Your first 1 or 2 are not about the money. They are about proof. The screenshot that makes client number 3 say yes before you finish talking. The first dollar is the hardest. The 5th is easy. The 50th feels inevitable. The first one is the hardest. After that, it compounds. So there is the whole machine. One service, one niche, one free sample that does the talking. 50 businesses. Outreach that gives before it asks. Follow-up most people will not do. And an offer that sells the result, not the robot. Notice what is not on that list. No following, no camera, no clue how the AI works under the hood. Just 7 days and a little nerve. If you watch this far, you already have more drive than 90% of the people who will never start. So start. Future you, the one not refreshing the bank app and sighing, is begging you to start. One last thing. Doing this by hand once is a side gig. Building a system that fills your pipeline while you sleep is a business. That is exactly what I teach inside the Lean AI video system. I show you how to use AI to create and schedule a whole week of content in about an hour. Same system I use. The link is in the description. And if this gave you that, wait, I could actually do this feeling, then subscribe. The next video is who is paying for AI services right now and exactly how to find them. I will see you there. Now go pick your one thing